show you how to create a new blog for our teaching reading in the middle school class and do your first blog entry. I know some of you have had Technology for Educators, so you have a blog, but we're going to do a totally different one for this course. So even if you have one already, you should make a new one. So if you have not had Technology for Educators and you don't have a Google account, you need to have one of those before you start this process. So go and create an account and then you can come back to this video. I am in a Google home screen. As you can see, I'm on a Chrome browser, and you always need to be using Chrome whenever you do anything in Google because it just doesn't work as well if you use another browser. So as you can see, I'm on a Google home page. If you go up here to this little apps launcher, click on that. It will bring up all the Google apps. If you'll click on more, and then right there is Blogger, and that's what you want to create right now. And it'll take me to my Blogger dashboard because I already have several blogs that I have created already. But you won't have as many as I do. Most of you will only have one if you've done technology. But once you get to this dashboard page, you actually want to click on New Blog. If you see, these are actually all blogs. Once you create a blog, then you will actually do posts within that blog. So, New Blog, and then you want to title it something like Mrs. Fox's Teaching Reading in the Middle School blog, and that might be too long. But then you actually can customize your domain or your URL, and I'm just going to say Mrs. Fox's TRMS blog. Okay, and then you get to pick whichever template you would like, and then create blog. Okay, so there I am. And I don't have any post yet, obviously. And so right here is what you will do to create a new post. If you mouse over that pencil, it'll give you that option. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's what you need to do every time you do a new post. Don't do a new blog. That is something that I've had students do in the past, do a new blog every time they do a post. And that's not what you want to do. You want to do these posts within your blog that you've created. So our very first blog post is going to be blog number 1, instructional approaches, I think. You won't need to do this yet, but I'm just showing you how to create a new post. And then you're going to do, here is the first post, whatever. It just looks like a word processor now, just like a Word document. But a couple of things you should know about this is you're going to be giving links and things in this, and the Blogger acts just like Google Drive or Google Documents. And so let me go and get a URL and show you how to link something on here. I'm just going to get this one that I'm working on. Copy that. Now if I want to link something over here, I'm going to just highlight it, go up here to this link, click on that, and then paste what I just copied, and then OK, and then that is linked. And these other things are just like a regular word processor. Just a couple more things. Before you publish it, you actually need to save what you're doing. This is not one that saves automatically, so you need to save periodically. And then publish is how you're going to actually you do actually want to share this on our Google Plus community, but we don't want to share it to your circles. You want to click on this drop down. Whoops, sorry about that. Click right there in the 2, and then you're going to go down to our community, Teaching Reading in the Middle School, and then it will give you which one you want to show it in. After you post your blog, you will then post it here on our community. And I'm going to say I'm in small group 1, and I'm going to cancel my circles and small group 1. And you can add a comment. Here is blog 1. And then if you want to tag somebody, you would do plus their name. I can't do anybody in here because they're not on our community yet, and just click share. Now here is the last thing I want you to do with this is you actually need the URL to your blog to put on our before day one, the page where you put your Google account and all of that. So if you'll click on this link up here, the icon view blog. So this is what your blog will look like to me when I'm grading it. I will see all the background and all of that. So you want this URL right here. So you're going to copy that. Okay, now back over on the before day one page, you'll see we will be utilizing Google Drive throughout the whole course right here at the top, and then post it here on this link right here. You will need to paste your blog address. So I'm just going to click right within that cell and Control V to paste, and then it should be linked already. Okay, and that's it. And actually you'll be able to, when I'm done with this video, I will put a link right here to paste your blog address as well. So that's it.